Well, this week, millions of Americans are facing the sweltering conditions as the heat wave begins and takes hold in the middle of the country before it spreads to the northeast tomorrow. The high temperatures could last all week and into the weekend in many places. We, of course, as we've been mentioning, are one of the areas expecting those extremely hot temperatures. And the Toledo-Lucas County Health Department wants you to be safe if you have to be outside. Mario Dunham is live outside this morning of the health department downtown. So Mario, what are some important tips to stay safe while out in the heat?
Well, Tim, planning ahead can be the difference between you staying safe in the heat or having to go to the hospital for heat-related illness. Leaders at the health department tell me that staying hydrated is the first thing you should do in order to prevent heat-related illnesses. They say a wide-brimmed hat can protect you from getting a sunburn and helps keep your body cooler. The American Cancer recommends using SPF 30 or higher to protect yourself from harmful UV rays. If you start feeling any signs of heat-related illness, health leaders say to move to the shade or into air-conditioned buildings. And that's not all.
Avoid being outdoors during the peak hours of heat between 10 and 4 in the afternoon usually. Wear light clothing, loose fitting, so you'll help your body cool itself.
Coming up at 7:30, I'll give you the difference between heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Live in downtown Toledo, Mario Dunham, WTOL 11.
Thanks, Mario. And if you need help getting out of the heat this week, there are several cooling centers that you can go to. A City of Toledo spokesperson says lots of library branches, senior and community centers, as well as the Salvation Army will be open to the public in Lucas County. Hours vary by location, and all library locations will be closed on Wednesday for Juneteenth. We have a full list of the cooling centers, locations, and hours on fox36.com. Just click on that WTOL 11 tab.